dear lovely brothers and sisters. I am Preeti, BCA department from Bangalore. I am really excited to express my heartful experience towards the best superstar students and parents. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. G.V.R. Ramana sir for the fabulous and amazing platform for all the youths. This concept is really a very good platform for upcoming generation. This is not possible without the mentor guidance. I am very much thankful for all my seniors who are supportively helping for my future goals. I have chosen this platform for my study basis and financially stable and independent. But all over, I am learning a lot here, respecting parents, friendly coordination, brothers and sisters culture, and also respecting our nation. And there comes the responsibility to stand in our own legs and spirit to achieve something big. Mindset is everything. So set your mind, set your goal, work through it, and your dreams come to reality. Of course, every youth have dreams and goals. This is the right platform to achieve it in a right time at the right way, that is superstar students and parents. So come forward to achieve your dreams, and there's a big support from superstar students and parents till the end of your journey. Thank you.
Watching it come true.